Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find the values of x. So on our right hand side we have 2, and in log form, considering base 8, 2 is the same as log 8 of 8 squared. So from our expression, log 8 of 2x squared minus 13x plus 84 is equal to log 8 of 8 squared. Where there is 2, we have replaced it with log 8 of 8 squared. So the next step, log 8 of 2x squared minus 13x plus 84 is equal to log 8 of 64. So since the bases are the same, we are going to equate this and this. So 2x squared minus 13x plus 84 is equal to 64. After that, we are going to collect like terms. So 2x squared minus 13x plus 84 minus 64 is equal to 0. So 2x squared minus 13x plus 20 is equal to 0. So we are going to solve this quadratic equation in terms of x. So I would advise you to use bulldozer method, which you are going to use in this example. So you should look forward to learning this method. So bulldozer method states that x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from our equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 13, and c is equal to 20. So x is equal to negative into negative 13 plus or minus square root of negative 13 squared minus 4 times 2 times 20 over 2 times 2. So x, when we simplify this term, it's going to be 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 160 over 4. So x is equal to 13 plus or minus square root of 9 divided by 4. And this is the same as x is equal to 13 plus or minus 3 over 4. So either x is equal to 13 plus 3 over 4, or x is equal to 13 minus 3 over 4. So x is equal to 16 over 4, which is equal to 4, or x is equal to 10 over 4, which is 2.5. So the next step, we are going to verify our answers. So for x is equal to 4, from the question we had log 8 of 2 into 4 squared minus 13 into 4 plus 84. This should be equal to 2. So log 8 of 32 minus 52 plus 84 should be equal to 2. So log 8 of 32 minus 52 plus 84 is equal to 64. Should be equal to 2. So log 8 of 64 is the same as 8 squared, should be equal to 2. And when you simplify this, becomes 2 log 8 of 8 should be equal to 2, and 2 is equal to 2. Then for x is equal to 2.5, we have log 8 of 2 into 2.5 squared minus 13 into 2.5 plus 84 should also give us 2. So log 8 of 12.5 minus 32.5 plus 84 should give us 2. So using a calc, log 8 of 64 should be able to give us 2. And when we simplify this, this becomes log 8 of 8 squared should be able to give us 2. And this becomes 2 log 8 of 8 should be equal to 2. And log 8 of 8 is equal to 1. So therefore 2 is equal to 2. That means x is equal to 2.5 is true and holds for that equation. When you substitute, it's the correct answer. So therefore x is equal to 4 and 2.5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.